Have you tried several ways to make money online but without success? Or you are new to making money online and you are confused, you don't know where to start from, and you don't know what really you are supposed to do. This website that I'm going to talk about today, you can start. It's so easy to start and it's user friendly. You can start either using your phone or using your computer. You can start working from the comfort of your home, and you can get paid quickly as possible. You don't have to know a lot of technology or too much things to start on this website. I would like to welcome you on this YouTube channel. My name is Gloria, and on this YouTube channel, I talk about different ways on how you can make money online. So if that's what you are looking for, then this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to click that bell notification so that anytime I post a video, you are the first one to get notified. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Yes, let's get into the video so that we can. So this is the website that I was talking about, and this website is called ySense. Yes, it's called ySense. And on this website, you can get paid by for answering surveys, for doing offers. You can also become an affiliate, and I will show you the way you're supposed to cash out when you are using this website. So this is how the platform looks outside before we get inside. So this is outside how it looks like. This is where you go if you want to sign up. It says sign up for free and start earning. To sign up is so easy and simple. As I told you, it's easy to use. You just put in your email, your password, you agree to their terms of use and policy, then you just click on the button to join. Here on the website, they say earn extra cash online. ySense is a global community online community with multiple earning options. Join now and start earning with paid online surveys. Yes, that's how it is. You can read more. They pay you for surveys, for offers, and so many things. So let's go in and sign in so that we can learn more about this website and all the things that we are supposed to do. I've already put in the email, then I'll put in the password so that we can sign in. Then you agree to the terms, and but for me, I'm not going to join because I already have an account. So for me, I will just sign in. Yes, for me, I'll just sign in. I'll just click on sign in, then I'll put in the email that I am that the email I use for this account. Then I'll just put in my password and I log in because I already have an account. Yes, so I'll sign in. I'll sign in. I'm already signed in. So this is how the platform looks like when you get inside. This is how the platform looks like. Yes, here they have the surveys if you want to complete the surveys. They have the offer wall affiliates, but let's start with the surveys first. So if you want to answer surveys, there are rules. They will tell you to please take your time to read through, you complete the survey so that you don't make mistakes and you get disqualified. There are so many partner surveys, so many surveys you can find right here. And apart from surveys, you can also find a daily poll that you can click on every day, and you answer a question there, and you will get this one sent. For example, like this, if you click on that poll, they will ask you a question and you answer it and you get that one sent. It will be credited to your account. Then you can go back to the survey dashboard and answer more surveys. Yes, and sometimes they will send you an email when they have surveys that you can answer. This is a survey that you can answer and you can earn up to 58 cents. Some of their surveys are good. You can earn up to $1. Yes. you can earn up to $1 sometimes. But if you are not going to do surveys, then they also have an offer wall. On that offer wall, there are so many things you can do apart from doing surveys. You can play games like this game is up to $19, 19.70. So if you sign up and you play, they will show you the instructions of that game here. So if you sign up and you play up to level 7, you get 5 cents. You play up to level 25, you get 10 cents. So it depends on the offer that you want to play or to sign up. There are so many different offers, so many different games, as you can see as I'm scrolling down. So you can play offers and earn. All of these words here, they are offers that you can go to download games. As I told you, on this website, they have an application. You can also have their application on your phone. Even though you don't use the computer, you can have it on your phone anytime you want. You can keep playing games like all these games. You get paid for playing these games and the money will come into your account. Yes, there are also so many other offers. This one, my chips, hang my ads. There are so many. Some of them you can just watch adverts and you get paid. So it depends on you what you really want. Another way that you can earn from this website is by doing affiliate marketing. Yes, by referring people to this website. So if you feel like you want to join this website, I'm going to leave a link in my description below so that you can join via my link. And when you join me through my link, you get a bonus for signing up through my link. Yes. So another way you can earn from this website, you just become a ySense affiliate and start earning. Yes, you can refer to your friend, to your mom, to your dad, and other people so that they can join through your link and you earn a commission. So if you feel like that this website is what you want to try out, please don't just go ahead and use my link and join. Yes, use my link, my referral link. I'll leave it in the description box below so that you can join. Yes, so let us go on the way how you can cash out. As you see, this is how my balance is. Let me show you. For now, this is how much I have in my account. Yes, I'm still earning, but they pay you according to the country you are in. In some countries, they have like different payment methods. Yes, you can get paid from Amazon. You can get paid from Amazon. Amazon. You can use an Amazon gift card. This is Amazon UK. This is Amazon DE. This is ATM. You can also get paid using that payment method. You can also get paid using Pioneer. But if you are to get paid using Amazon gift card, you're supposed to earn up to $5 so that you can get paid. So if you are supposed to get, if you want, it depends on what you want. If you want to get paid according to Amazon UK, you're supposed to earn up to $5. Here, Amazon DE, it's just $1, then you get paid. Then this one, ATM, you're supposed to get paid as long as you reach $5. So it depends on you. Pioneer, you can get paid, but the threshold is $25. So to reach it, it can quite take some time, but it depends. Then PayPal, you can get paid from $10 to $25. So it really depends on which payment method that works in your country. So it depends according to your country. And another thing about survey sites that let me talk about it before I forget it. To get surveys, it depends on the country you are in. Some countries tend to get more surveys and others don't get too much surveys, but it depends on in the country you are in to get too much surveys. Like now, this is a survey that you can do. It's for 17 minutes and it's 71 cents that you will earn for this survey. If you qualify and you answer, they credit you for that amount of money. Yes. So this is a good platform if you want to try it. As I've said, I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can go through my link and try it out. And if there is anything that you've not understood about this website, you can write me so that I can help you out. Or if you've tried this website and they have paid you before and it really works good for you, please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below so that we can help others. Yes.